This two-way table contains information about the boys and girls at a school and their different methods of transport to school. There are gaps which we want to fill in. If we look at the walk column, 25 boys walk out of a total of 42 pupils who walk. 42 take away 25 is 17, so 17 girls walk. Here we have 31 boys take the bus and 33 girls take the bus, giving a total of 64 pupils who take the bus. For cycling, we have 2 boys who cycle and no girls cycle, giving a total of 2 pupils who cycle to school. Now that we have the whole of the last row, we can add this row to give the total here, 162. If there are 80 girls and 162 pupils in total, there must be 82 boys. Now looking at the girls' row, 17 walk, 33 take the bus, so that's a total of 50, and none cycle, so we have 50, but 80 in total, so 30 must come by car. We now have 54 in total come by car, 30 of whom are girls, so 24 boys must come by car. Finally, we should always check all of our numbers in a two-way table. Adding the boys' row does give us 82. Adding the girls' row gives us 80. Adding this column here, 82 and 80, does give 162. Let's look at the columns. 25 and 17 is 42. This adds to 64, and so on. And finally, the bottom row, added up, does give us 162.